Hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. And welcome back to another episode of Walking and Talking and Riding and Sliding with your boy, Courtney P. But this time, we cooking. This time, we cooking spaghetti. And sometimes, people will say, spaghetti, that's not a big deal. But not when you got seasonings like this. Not when you put Italian sausage in your spaghetti. Not when you put hot sauce in your spaghetti. Not when you put stewed tomatoes in your spaghetti. Not when you add a little apple cider vinegar and white mushrooms, as well as Italian sausage, a little celery. Your boy Courtney P even put spinach, and that's Popeye's spinach. Popeye is a strong man, just like your boy Courtney P. And so, like I say about Birmingham, Alabama, like I say about the South, we want to live good. We want to eat good. We want to enjoy life. We want to be the best there is, the best there was, the best there ever will be in Birmingham, Alabama. As always, thanks for walking and talking and riding and sliding and now cooking and eating with your boy, Courtney P. Mr. Again and Again and Again. Thanks for walking and talking and riding and sliding with your boy, Courtney P. And welcome to part 1 of Cooking with Courtney P. Thanks for walking and talking and riding and sliding with your boy, again and again and again, with your boy, Courtney P. But this time, we making spaghetti in Birmingham, Alabama. And you know, we love Birmingham, Alabama. Again and again and again. Thanks for walking and talking and riding and sliding and now cooking with your boy, Courtney P.